Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hey, you're welcome as well. Today we're working with Beauty Forever hair, and I'm just showing you the packaging, how I received it. It was nice and neat and cute. Had the goodies. I always enjoy the goodies that I receive. It also had a wig bag, which is good for you to store your wigs when you're done. Now on to the wig. So the wig that they sent me is a V part. It's 24 inches and it is in the body wave texture. V parts are good for no leave out. You don't have to deal with any lace, and if you were to style it with the leave out, you're able to get away with a very minimum amount of leave out. So these are very quick and easy and very convenient wigs. So the wig construction is 4 combs at the top. There's also a comb in the middle of the V. You have 2 combs on the side and adjustable straps in the back. As you can see, this body wave texture is very bouncy and very full, and it's just so pretty. So let's get into this slay. Hey you guys, so we're finna get into this action, okay? This is the braid pattern that I did. Nothing fancy, just to get the hair down and out the way. And I have the wig right here. This is gonna be such a quick and easy install. Sometimes I'm just over the wig, so this is lovely, getting a little break. I'm gonna make these adjustable straps a little bit tighter. This is cute. This is really cute. Soft, no tangles. Okay. I thought I was gonna be curling it, but I might leave it like this, since it's looking very much wavy. Okay, we're gonna work on the leave out and the edges, and then we're gonna be done. Girl. A quick little easy slay. We gotta love it. We gotta love it. I have not straightened my hair in a year, so a year and a month. I haven't straightened my hair in a year and a month, so I'm not trying to go over this more than one time. So this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little slay. Thanks to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this wig. Make sure you check the description box down below so you can check out all the details and get the link for this wig so you can purchase your own. Because honey, let's take a break from the wigs and let's get into this. Like, it's cute. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.